Hey guys, Bangy here, and welcome to my first ever episode of No Accent Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you guys how to find a candidate key given a relation with a set of attributes and a set of functional dependencies. So, what we have here is a relation R with attributes A, B, C, D, and E. So, these are all attributes of the relation R. And we have functional dependencies A, B, C, D, and this stuff down here. So, what we can first do is we can draw a basic diagram linking these attributes using the functional dependencies. So, we can go here, we can go AB implies C, we can do A implies C, A and B implies C. My apologies. We can do C implies D, and then we can do B implies C. So B implies C is actually trivial. So we already have that in another functional dependency. So as we can see here, there is no tail going into A, B, or E, which means that that has to be included in a relation in order to imply that relation itself. So now we have a candidate key, which is A, B, and E. Okay, how did I get that? Okay, you can notice that C here has a tail going into it. Let me just change the color to make it a bit easier. Oh god, that's a bit too big there. My apologies yet again. We can see that there's a tail going into C, there is a tail going into D, and here's another tail going to C, but that doesn't matter. What we can see here is that E, A, and B don't have tails going into them, which means that it must be a candidate key. Please keep in mind that you can have more than one candidate key, and A, B, and E just happens to be the only candidate key available to this set of functional dependencies and relation R. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time in my videos. Bye guys.